Okay, so next question is very important because here we are going to get a dead state when we are converting this NFA into a DFA. So let's start with same steps. So we have two input symbol AB and 3. Here this is the final state Q1. So Q0 as the initial state, Q1 as the final state, Q2 as the intermediate state, and you can say the non-final state. So now with respect to A, Q0 able to move at Q1 as well as Q2. With respect to B, there is no response by state Q0. With respect to A, there is no response given by Q0 for any input symbol. With respect to Q2, so we are able to move at Q1 as well as Q2. With respect to B, we remains at Q2. So this is the transition table for given question. Now second step is we have to convert this table into table for DFA. So Q0 is the initial state, and you can observe from this one Q1, Q2. So that it has been combined as a new state written in curly bracket. So this is the new state known as Q1, Q2. Now you can see here the hyphen or phi, something like. So we can't allow a phi symbol in the DFA. We can't allow a blank symbol or empty string in the DFA. So that's why we have to create another state with the input symbol phi, or you can also write epsilon here. So this is no longer a empty or epsilon state. This is a new state, and that the symbol is phi denoted for that. Just for sake to understand the same concept, that we are not going to having any blank or empty string in the DFA. Now as for the new state, we get Q1, Q2 new state. So Q1 and Q2, we are getting union of this row. So with respect to A, Q1 and Q2, you are able to get the same state, that is Q1, Q2. And with respect to B, you are able to see Q1, Q2, we are able to get Q2 state. Now Q2, with respect to A, we are able to get Q1, Q2, and with respect to B, we are at the same Q2. The last one is state phi. This is important, and this will remains the same with respect to both symbols. So we are at the state phi. So actually this state phi is the new state that is known as dead state in the DFA. That's why it's very important. Now you can observe the final state. This is going to be the final state because it has Q1, which was the final state in the given question. Now we are able to draw the diagram. So let's start this one. Q0 and Q0 with respect to A going towards another state, that is Q1, Q2, and with respect to B, that is going to another state, that is denoted by phi. With respect to A, we are at the same state Q1, Q2. With respect to B, we are able to move towards another state, that is Q2 with respect to B. So Q2 with respect to A go back towards the state Q1, Q2, and this is the final state we know. So Q2 with respect to B remains at the same state, that is Q2, and phi. So phi has the self loop for both symbols A and B. So this is the DFA as per the given question. So important thing in this question is we are getting a dead state and denoted with respect to phi corresponding to these blank or empty strings. So these no action states whereby Q0 not responding to B input symbol, and similarly Q1, which is the final state in the given question, not responding to both symbols. But here correspondingly we have phi and phi as another state. So this is going to be the dead state. Now you can remember from this question that the question is the string end or start and end with A. So if it start with A, we are at the final state. If we are getting B, then after getting A, we are able to move back towards the final states. So this is the question whereby the string start and end with A, start and end with A. So this is very important question, and we have converted this NFA into corresponding DFA. So I hope you are able to understand the concept as well as the importance of question. Thank you.